Personal development is a major time saver. The better you become, the less time it takes you to achieve your goals. It is said by Brian Tracy. Today, I am going to speak on the similar topic, that is about personality development. Now, you all must be having a question, what exactly is personality? We have very often heard that he or she has a very good personality. The personality is a typical pattern of a person of thinking, his feeling, his behavior that makes a person unique. Certain times when we say that someone has a good personality, we mean that they are likable. Even they are interesting and pleasant to be with them. Everyone wants to be attractive towards others. In that end, having a good personality, it is very vital and probably even more so that your good looks, it matters. According to Dale Carnegie, approximately 85% of your success and happiness will be a result on how well you interact with others. Ultimately, it is your personality that determines whether people are attracted to you or they are shy away from you. Now here I am going to talk about 5 important things that will improve your personal development. First and foremost, the very important thing, that is become a better listener. Now if we see that it is like everyone wants to speak and always speak. But if we notice, like nature has given us one tongue and 2 ears, so that what we could hear twice as much as we speak. Many may not listen that well because they feel like it is not going to affect that personally. But better you listen the person, better they will listen to you. And in fact, that much better your relationships will be. You can make someone feel special by just listening to this person. Now the second point which is important is that we have to think positive. Because it is important to think positive thoughts both about yourself also and about others also. Because the power of positive thinking is a popular concept, as spreading positivity is more important as good thoughts vibrates and affects everyone around us. Like how much positivity we are going to spread, that is automatically going to affect us also. And it will also affect your mental and physical health too. It gives you more confidence. So thinking positive is also a major important thing. Now the third point, that is
think positive and live a positive life. Preeti Santosh Bankar. Today I am going to tell you a speech on that year and this day. We all know that on 3rd October we celebrate German Unity Day. German Unity Day is celebrated on 3rd October every year to mark the anniversary of the nation's unification. On 3 October 1990, the Federal Republic of Germany and the Democratic Republic of Germany were united as one single federal Germany. The historical event of German reunification, where the former GDR officially joined the Federal Republic of Germany, is celebrated with a 3-day festival. In that area, various stages host leaf bands and stands sell food, drinks and sweets. Less than 1 year after the destruction of the Berlin Wall, East and West Germany come together on what is known as a United Day. Fundamental rights are guaranteed in the first section of the same name in Article 1 to 19. They are subjective public rights with constitutional rank which bind all authorities of the state in case of violations of the fundamental rights and the legal protection to be granted by the courts fails. The basic law provides with the constitutional complaint an extraordinary appeal to the Federal Constitutional Court. In Article 93, paragraphs 1 number 4A Basic Law. These fundamental rights cannot be removed from the Constitution, and no constitutional amendment may affect their essence. Thank you.